exercise you concentrate on your oblique muscles, and we're going to do movement called bending. I want you to bring your hands behind your head, keep your body straight, so feet, shoulders reach apart, and stabilize all your body, just only bend your torso. One direction, another direction. We're doing 12 repetitions, one direction, 12 repetitions, another one, alternate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20, 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Be well.